How to delete your Indeed applications. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with a tutorial. You can open up your Indeed application or just search for Indeed in your web browser and tap on the first suggestion given to you. Now, in order to delete your application, select on the three-line icon at the top. From the option, go ahead and select the option of My Jobs. Tap on Applied. I currently have not applied to any of the job, but let me show you how you can easily delete your Indeed application. If you have applied to any of the job, your application update or status will look something like this. You have to tap on the option of the three-dot icon next to the job application that you applied. You will find the option of Delete your Indeed application. Just go ahead and tap on Delete. With a simple click, you'll be able to delete your Indeed application. After you have done necessary edit, you can again upload your application to the designated job employer. If the option is not provided to you, first and foremost try to check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch to your cellular data or turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds and turn it back off. If you are using the Indeed application and face such issue, make sure to clear cache of your Indeed application and check for an update. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.